And I did learn a little bit about the Marlin codes, but I don't really find anything useful in there. So I did flash the Sovol firmware here, and it did basically break the whole damn machine. I didn't have any movement or anything. So what I did do yesterday, I did flash the copter tech firmware here, and now everything is working. Also, the probe was connected wrong. It was issue from the previous owner. The yellow wire he did just cut that, and he did connect the yellow wire to the red pin, and he did connect the red pin to the wrong pin, and I don't even know. There is a lot of the soldering points and everything. You have the triangle lap, hot end, everything is here, nice and fits perfectly here. Nothing is touching the build plate. The nozzle is basically the lowest point. Overall, I'm super happy with the project so far. It has been a long project, like a lot of the soldering. Holy hell, it's alive. This is the Big 3 Tech, the mini version of the display, and I needed to make my own firmware to get this working. Then I did have a lot of the problems when everything did go to home position. The extruder did move there, it did hit the switch, and it basically just did go home fine. Same did go with the bed, it did go at the back of the hitting the switch. But when I did start homing the height, the bed did fly here, and it did hit here, and basically the motor did skip a lot of the rounds because it was hitting this part here. So what I needed to do was I needed to go here on the screen, and I did change the motion to steps, and I did use steps. I did with the chat GPT, we did calculate that it did move way too much, so I did bump this from the 80 to 20. And also when I did say to the rods to move the gantry, or basically the whole rail 10 millimeters up, it did move it 81 millimeters up. So with the help of the chat GPT, I did change that to steps is 47.6 millimeters, or steps in the millimeter or whatever. But yeah, I don't know. Chat GPT did say that there is something really badly wrong here in the printer, but I don't know. It did say that I need to go to the board and see some jumper pins and stuff like that, and I did upload the picture, and it did see the jumper pins, but there is no jumper pins and stuff like that. So the PL touch is working fine. I did level the corners, and then I did level the bed. Today when I did move that here, I did do that again, so everything looks fine. All the belts, wheels, everything are tight, and don't mind that. PL touch cable, it's the current cable what I'm waiting the new cable to come, like there is soldering point there, and basically everywhere. But yeah, the main cables are in new sleeve, and the ultimate plan, that is the laptop what is basically just using the Octoprint just because why not. And the filament is staying here at the dryer, and then I'm feeding the filament over here, and then it's going here, and then it's going down to the extruder. I also did print this cable holder, but I didn't need to move that to the other side, and I did need to bend this little bit with after the heating, so the filament has more clearer path to go there. That is not my design. This is not my design, but this is, you can download this from the Printables, and you basically need just one bearing for this, and it fits to any profilers on the profiler slot. And everything is connected here with the cable holder. This is my design. And there is the bed MOSFET, it works fine. And then I did, this is mix of the two desings, and I need to just little bit work more with that desing, maybe making like U shape, take the U shape part away from behind the part cooler, because it doesn't need to be having the wall over there, and take this corner away so I can have more aces to this screw what is over there. The part cooling is super effective. This is 4010. This is 5015 from Triangle Lab. So we are still missing the bottom lid, but I installed that in the footer on the printer. But yeah, I'm not 100% about the screen, but I like the screen overall. You can mount the screen. This is also from the Printer Plus. When you try to find just type the screen 12864 or something, I can't remember. Mini. But yeah, you can mount that at the front or at the side. I like it more on the side because I have the stuff here, so I usually I can do it like from here, or I can just right now set the Octoprint and control everything, almost everything. Let's see what it does. I did send the first print, so firmware is working from that side. This is running modeling 2.0.x, so basically I think it's like 2.0.0 or something. I did combine that with basically with the Sovol firmware values. It should have the silent board features because we are running the creality 2.2.1 board. Then I did combine that with the PL Touch and with this screen firmware, or basically I did on the screen, I did on the firmware I did set up the screen to work, and it's not that easy. The Big 3 Tech manual sucks. Sorry to say that, but it sucks. It says you need to have the underscore version or V1 in the firmware. This is using the FUTEC or whatever is the line, define line in the firmware, so that is the only way how I get that working. If I follow the Big 3 Tech manual or for the version 1 or version 2 screen, I cannot compile the firmware because the RGB values, it must be RGB. With the GRB we don't get anything on the screen, it stays black. Okay, it's working, it's not the best one, I maybe just move this little bit here. That is almost touching the boot plate. The first line can be a little bit more down. But yeah, holy hell, it's printing. The only downside with the screen is basically you don't really need that much. But setting the offsets and fine tuning everything and stuff like that, then it's like okay, the part cooling fan did kick in. It's not the quietest, and I don't know why it's blowing like 100%. That definitely needs some fine tuning. And this part cooling fan is designated, so it's blowing a lot of the air to the sides also if it's running 100%. It's a little bit too powerful for this machine, but better to have option to have that. But